Space, the final frontier, is fascinating and mysterious, but many misconceptions still circulate about it. For example, space is not just a pristine vacuum. More than 20,000 pieces of debris orbit the Earth, posing a risk to future space missions. The Sun is not yellow but emits mainly green light, which appears white to our eyes due to the color scheme. Furthermore, the Sun is not on fire, but functions as a nuclear reactor that fuses hydrogen into helium. Explosions in space, like in science fiction movies, cannot occur because there is no oxygen needed for fire. The belief that there are too many stars to count is also false. The Yale catalog lists about 9,110 visible from Earth. Asteroids are not crowded together like in the movies. In the belt between Mars and Jupiter, the distances between rocky bodies are immense. Although you die quickly in space without a suit, freezing is not instantaneous, since the vacuum does not transfer heat quickly. Furthermore, space has no fixed temperature, because heat depends on the presence of moving particles. The Earth is not a perfect sphere, but is slightly flattened at the poles. The concept of absolute silence in space is also not entirely true. In some areas with enough particles, sound can propagate, as in the case of acoustic waves detected around a black hole. Zero gravity does not really exist. Astronauts float because they are in free fall around the Earth. Hollywood has helped spread false myths, such as the possibility of easily changing orbit in space. Even the idea of a face on Mars, immortalized by the Viking 1 probe in 1976, has been debunked. It was just an optical illusion created by shadows on a hill. Finally, the solar system is not stationary but travels at 225 kilometers per second through the galaxy. Venus, not Mercury, is the hottest planet in the solar system because of its dense atmosphere that traps heat. Despite false beliefs, space remains fascinating and full of mysteries to be discovered.